Good morning, all. Let us learn some of the AIBE questions. Tomorrow you are all having exams, so best of luck for you all. So first question is: the indemnity contract is defined under which section? It is defined under the Contract Act. Means it is a section 124 of Indian Contract Act. Next question is: Peak versus Gurney is the famous case of, for which this case is famous for, means coercion, fraud, mistake of fact, or mistake of law. It is the case for fraud cases. Peak versus Gurney. Next, the Supreme Court invoked the principle of transformative constitutionalism in the case of, you are very well known, 2018 case, Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. The 277 of the IPC section relates to this case. Next, the provisions of Indian Penal Code apply also to any offence committed by any citizen of India, any place without beyond India, or any person on any ship or aircraft registered in India or wherever it may be, or else any person in any place without and beyond India committing offence targeting the computer resource located in India. So for all these three options, the any citizen of India can be prosecuted for the committing offence. Next question is: under the Patent Act, which of the following are not patentable? There are some options given. So under this, which one is not patentable? Means all of them, that a method of agriculture or horticulture, the presentation of information, or else topography of integrated circuits. So all these are not at all patentable under the Patent Act. So next question is: Section 66A of Information Technology Act was struck down under Article 19, Subclass 1, Subclass A, read with Article 19, Subclass 2. In the case of, which case it is? So you have to mention here, means Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Next question is: MC Mehta versus Union of India 1986. Shriram Food and Fertilizers case related to, so this case is related to oleum gas leak. So MC Mehta case is related to oleum gas leak. So let us move to some other questions. Okay. AK Kripak versus Union of India. This was the case law. Relates to which one? Means it is related to likelihood of bias. So next question is: judicial control of delegated legislation may be exercised on the ground of doctrine of ultra vires, mala fides, exclusion of judicial review, or all the above. The answer is all the above. So judicial control is to be delegated. Next question is: Section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act relates to void marriages, voidable marriages, ceremony of Hindu marriages, conditions of Hindu marriages. Section 5 relates to the conditions of Hindu marriage. There are 5 conditions, so you have to go through it. There may be a long question also asked in mains and optional question. Okay. Next question is: a marriage between a girl of 22 years marries her maternal uncle's son of 23 years accordance with the Special Marriage Act. Such marriage is what it is? It is a maternal uncle. The answer is for this, it is a void marriage. So it will come under the prohibited degree. So it also applies to Special Marriage Act also. The principles of res judicata dealt under which section? You are all very well known. It will come under the CPC section 11. In addition, I want to say section 10 also you have to go through it. Stay of the suits. Next, Section 14 of CPC deals with presumption as to decision of the tribunal, presumption as to foreign judgment or presumption as to judgment of lower court, presumption of the higher court. Answer is presumption as to foreign judgment. Section 13 and 14 you have to go through it. Next question. A resides in Delhi, publishes in Kolkata statements defamatory of B. B may sue A where he has to do either Kolkata or Delhi. So the answer is in both places, either Delhi or Kolkata. Next. The which provision under Criminal Procedure Code 1970 deals with the procedure of adopted by the magistrate to record the confession? So you are all very well know 164 there is some method accordingly only magistrate has to record the statement of the accused under section 164 of CRPC. Next, attachment of property of a person absconded can be done under section 82, 83, 85 and 86. Under 82 you have to make the proclamation, under 83 you can attach the property. So section A is the answer A 83 section is the correct. Magistrate may dispose personal attendance of the accused under section which section 205. We are all going to file the application under 205 now. So where in someone's cases we have to with wakalat we can file the 205 application. Next, section 265A to 265L chapter 21A of the criminal procedure deals with unlawful assembly, arrest without warrant, search, seizure or plea bargaining. It deals with the plea bargaining. Next question. Security of a good behavior from the habitual offender is dealt under which section? So there are some of the cases where executive magistrate will deal. So for that answer is the answer is B under section 111. Next, let us move to some other questions. Bar of taking cognizance after lapse of the period of limitation is dealt under section 168 of CRPC. Next, voluntary throwing or attempting to throw the acid is an offence punishable under section 326B. There are after 13 amendment 326 has been elaborated with the adding A and B, throwing and attempting the acid on the person. So it is punishable 326B. So I will conclude here only, and next I will catch up with some questions also. Thank you.